All right, here we go. 1969 Camaro. Man, I love these cars. They're so much fun. They got timeless style. Matter of fact, the newer ones were made after this body style, so I think everybody likes the 69 Camaro.
That's the favorite year.
Yep. This one's a little bit of a resto mod, not all the way, because it's still a carbureted engine and it's got turbo 350 trans, but it's a 350 motor, all shiny and polished up. Got some pretty neat things under the hood. It's got the Autometer custom gauges, which are real cool. Cowl induction hood. It was a regular base Camaro to start life. It's got LED taillights, LED headlights with the halos. It also has, the best part is the Wilwood brake system and the Hotchkis suspension.
And air conditioning, it works.
Air conditioning. Everybody likes to have the air conditioning. That's vintage air. Works great. New style Freon 134. This one has some custom seats in it, which are a little bit more comfortable, kind of to go along with that pro touring mode. It's got nice exhaust on it. Got some Ridler wheels on there. The Hotchkis suspension is tubular control arms, adjustable shocks, front and rear sway bars. We do have a pair of frame connectors that go with it if you want to put them on. We haven't done it and the previous owner didn't, but just a fun car to drive. It's got all the stuff you want. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. Oh, we're coming up to our picture spot here. Give you a little better look at it. Here's a really nice 1969 Camaro. It's kind of a pro touring setup. It's got a 350 carbureted. It's got four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, big brakes. It's got the drilled rotors, and it also has a Hotchkis suspension, stage 2. I think it's about a 3-inch drop. It's got front and rear sway bars, tubular control arms, adjustable shocks. We also have a set of subframe connectors. If somebody wanted to install those, it stiffens up the car, makes it handle a little bit better. We didn't put them on, but you're welcome to have them. Come with the car. It's got a steel cowl induction hood. It's got these really cool looking Ridler wheels with Nitto tires on there, 17-inch. Corners and handles real nice. It's got LED lighting. Has the halo headlights. Front and rear spoiler. Pretty nice car. It's like a deep Le Mans blue. A little bit extra, kind of like a pearl look to it almost, but nice deep shine. Custom rear spoiler, kind of looks like the stock one, but it's got those little extra parts on there, kind of makes it look a little racy. It's got the Ring Brothers style taillights with LED, billet aluminum. Show you inside. It's got some upgraded seats, reclining buckets with headrests, a little safer to ride in. They're a little worn, but they're not ripped or torn or anything like that. The rest of the interior is pretty nice. It would really finish this car off nice if the front seats were re-leathered. But it has Autometer gauges, expensive setup there, full gauges, vintage air conditioning, major plus. Door panels are real nice and clean. Headliner, Alcantara steering wheel. Really a sweet ride, something fun to cruise around in. Here's the power plant in the 69 Camaro. Again, it's a 350, pretty stock, just kind of dressed up a little bit. It's got some expensive stainless steel headers on there. It's got the Holley 4-barrel, some polished valve covers, aluminum water pump, chrome power steering pump. These brackets are kind of cool with the Heim joints. Just really nice and clean and sanitary under here. It's got electronic ignition, aluminum intake. Got the Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes, which are phenomenal. They just stop great. Of course, you can see the tubular control arms down there. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice little rumble to it. Got dual exhaust. Got the hammer B&M shifter. There's your AC controls. Exhaust coming all the way out the back. Nice little rumble to it. Motor runs nice and smooth. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, sit at Simi Valley. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. Thanks a lot.